a folder by the name Todo Api. We will be creating two projects. Chandrasekhar, have you created the to-do project folder? In that you need to execute these things. Create the virtual environment, activate the virtual environment, install Django, and we will be considering two projects. One project is for my front end. Django-admin start project my project. Sorry, I created my project. Let me delete this one. Don't create my project, everyone. Let me activate the environment. Django-admin start project. Let me give the name as frontend. And one more project backend. Two projects you need to create it, everyone. One is the front end and one more is the back end. In the front end I will keep all my HTML files, all the templates, all those things. Whereas back end, the database will be present in the back end and I will be writing the logics inside the back end. What is front end doing? Front end has to fetch the data, what the data user is entering in the user interface. I need to fetch the data and send the request to the backend. Through the API, I will be establishing that request. I need to perform the specific action, whether to create the data, update the data, or read, delete anything it might be, and send the response to my front end. So I have two things. One is the front end and one more is the back end. What front end is for? Front end is for my templates. The UI, everything will be kept in your front end. Whereas the back end is the place where the server, your database will be present. You need to perform the CRUD operation in the back end. So you have created two projects. One is the front end and one is the back end. Now in the front end, what you need to do? cd front end, open the front end, code space dot. I have opened the front end. I have opened my front end. Now in the front end, you need to do your to-do project setup. You need to do your to-do project setup. You need to open the terminal. First create the application, base application you can create. Python manage.py start app base. Go to the settings.py file. Register the application. Then go to the views.py file and you can create your views. So what views you will be having? The home, add, all those things. Only the setup, everyone. No need to write any logic. I will let you know what need to be done. Only the templates and yours, just the views. Then create URL paths for all this. Yes, Namrata, share the screen. What happened? Add complete trash, and then I have about. Include it. Then create the templates folder. Main.html end block. Yes, Namrata, I will check. X. Yes, Namrata. Home trash after that about. Then create the navbar also, everyone. Create the nav.html. Create the navbar for it. Then 5 home add complete trash, then about. URL within the single quotes, give the pattern names. include it in the main.html. Percentage include main.html. Sorry, nav.html. Nav.html. Now let me run this server. Run server. Change the port number. Why? Because that project will be running on 8000. I did not kill the server. I did not register. I forgot to configure the templates folder. Paste dir/templates. Server is not running. Yes, I got it. So just do the setup, everyone. Complete to do project setup. You can add the CSS for your navbar. Do that one. Tomorrow I will tell you what need to be done. Okay? How it is.